Hey everyone, welcome to the video on my channel. Love you loads, lots of love to you. Um, my name is Owen, and in this video I just want to say that I've had a throat cleanse for like around 10 days. A tickly cough at night time. It's pretty minor overall in all fairness, but obviously getting up a lot of quite a fair bit of phlegm or mucus, especially in the morning, but then a little bit of phlegm throughout the day. So that's called cleansing. Some people call it a cold flu-like symptom or a sore throat or a cough, but it's been very mild. I don't have any cold flu-like symptoms, and I don't have a proper cough, just only today or yesterday a little bit of tickle, but all week before that nothing. But my a friend of the family, another person now, has like a cough thing. He said he felt his energy was quite lower, and I feel mine has been lower also. But 3 weeks ago, between 3 and 6 weeks ago, I had a 3 week cough slash mostly sore throat or tender throat or something like this, except quite a reasonable amount worse. So it's just cleansing, like you're cleansing your eyes, your nose, your cheeks, your brain, your hair, your tonsils, your throat, your gums, your chin, your ears. It's really important to cleanse, my friends. Some people think like the medical industry are giving an enormous amount of false information and lies or misinformation or misdirections, so they can get rich by making you disempowered or sick, and then going to them, then they sell you drugs, so that feeds their pockets, and they shut down people like alternative practitioners, like fasting places, or naturopaths, that type of stuff, like people who challenge their drug industry. So it's basically very, very, very serious and bad at what's going on. The truth is, any cold flu-like symptom is a cleanse reaction, and it should be celebrated. Like, I love it if I get it. Like, my health has increased better than it's improved in 10 years since I've increased my vitality and lightened my diet or stuck to a more consistent raw food diet. Because when my vitality eventually increased so much, because I used to have massive, enormous burnout and depletion and adrenal fatigue, when eventually I was up enough and I ate well enough and I listened to my body well enough, because that's a very big factor too, because most people are just overeating all the time, which depletes your energy, totally wastes a lot of your energy, up to 50% of your energy or more maybe, depending on how much you eat and what you eat. Yeah, so I celebrate like a cleanse reaction, and my health has improved enormously. I can do so many things that I couldn't do for a long time, like running and recovering, exercising and recovering. So much, my friends. So this evening I'm feeling a little bit more emotional, a little bit flatter, a bit more tenderer, a bit like I want to jump into my partner's arms, who's not with me at the moment, she's in a different town. Something like I want to like jump to her, but then I don't want to use another person as like a soother. I want to like be able to sit with my emotions instead of trying to use someone as a crutch or a clutch. No, not a clutch, a crutch. Everyone's very important just to be honest and vulnerable and to feel our feelings instead of use substances, eating, drugs, sex, masturbation, and other things to help us deal with stress in a negative way that has a negative impact on our future and our body and ourselves right now, today. So I do feel flat, because the reason I made this video is when my friend asked me, he suspected I was feeling a bit like off or bad, and it's true. Part of me feels a little bit like wanting to jump towards my partner, another part wants to feel a little bit distant, like, but I think that's because of what I just already explained to you. So you'll notice, my friends, when you have a cold or flu-like symptom, that's from eating like stuff like dairy and meat and cheese and just basically cooked dairy or even raw dairy in the past. And stuff like processed food like bread and pasta and cakes, donuts, like bars of chocolate you buy in the store, all that sort of stuff, wheat, loads of stuff. And we've blocked up our lymph system, but this is really about more like emotions, kind of predominantly. This video was my inspiration. So yeah, I just feel a little bit quieter and a little bit downer, a little bit, but I don't feel in the past, like when I'm in the house on my own at night time. Sometimes I used to feel the trigger of my old childhood emotions of feeling vulnerable, tender, raw, insecure, anxious, lonely, and sadness. But thankfully, that hasn't really come up. I almost felt it was going to come up when the house became empty, which I'm in. I'm staying in my brother's house just for the moment, just for tonight. Yeah, but thankfully it didn't come up. But that used to come up a lot, and it took a few months, many months. It took a long time of feeling my feelings and being present with them for a lot of old stuff to come up. So everybody, this is probably what what you may associate with. Be ready for this, and you don't have to eat down your emotions. Like, it's okay to eat lightly, but don't try and like stuff yourself because you feel upset, or sad or lonely or stressed. And you don't have to do a whole lot of other stuff. So just enjoy yourself and sit with yourself and be with yourself and your emotions, and you're going to move forward in life and have a better life going forward. So hope this video helped, and thanks for watching, and I hope this touches your heart, or brings compassion and love and peace to you, and more strength or courage, or getting ready to just deal with yourself in a very harmonious and kind and conscious way, and have compassion on others going through emotional struggle, and know what a cold flu-like symptom is. It's okay. So yeah, do subscribe to this channel if you want. Like, share, and subscribe or comment. Check my description. I have lots of recommendations, and I'd love to connect and collaborate. Take care, my friends. Lots of love. One love, one family. We're all friends. We're all in it together. We all support and help each other. Interdependent. We all need each other, everybody, as a whole. From Gaia, Pachamama, all the animals, insects, and creatures, and the humans. Peace and no harm to all.